Okay. Okay, and we are back. So I stopped po sa yung rules and regulations. So pa-mute lang guys. Okay. Mga taga-MCM, pagki-mute lang, mga dear students. I am seeing your names. Okay. So yun, I stop with the rules and regulations that we have to really let our clients be aware of it para to avoid future mga challenges, no? And then again, I stop with the with a with a scenario when a certain client will gonna ask for a cancellation, when it's gonna ask for rescheduling. Pwede po yun. But then ask when is the flight. Ito po yun. If the client requested you, kasi mga home-based agent tayo, no? Home-based travel and tours tayo. So, we do not have enough power. So, what happened, if that is less than 72 hours, po, if that is less than 72 hours, yung nag-request si client, then you would say, okay, my dear client, since you are requesting less than 72 hours, then you have to go directly to the airline itself. You have to go to the airline. Kasi tayo kasi, why we are only allowed to process or to assist within 72 hours because it will take time for us as home agents to email. Mag-i-email pa po tayo kay biyahe ko with CC, with upfront fees, and then it will take time pa. Kaya nga, we are, as home agent, we are given 72 hours to inform those people in biyahe ko. But then and again, if the client, kinabukasan na ang flight niya, then you have to tell your client, please go to the respective airline or to the airport. May mga sa airport kasi nandun yung mga airline ng mga natin, yung mga offices ng mga airline. Yun lang po ang natin, careful tayo sa mga yung mga cancellation. You do not need to be burdened and to be stressed out of all the yung mga concern ng kasi I have experienced the time na on the day na siya nag-cancel. Bale, yung flight niya hapon and then morning siya nagpa-cancel. I did not really pa-mute po, please. I did not really accept the request. I said, I'm sorry. I cannot help you right now in this situation because you are asking or requesting me less than 72 hours. So if this is the scenario, you can change your flight, you can reschedule your flight, but however, you have to go to the office of your airline and then expect changes of the price. Remember, guys, if the ticket was taken during promo period, tapos nagpa-reschedule siya, expect, sabihan nyo si client, pag nangyari yan, expect na minsan mas mahal yung ticket na nagpa-resched. Have you ever experienced it, guys, yung nag-travel na ang pag-resched? I have done it many times. Whenever I go back to UAE, nasa Manila ako, and then my mom would say, ay, can you stay more nights? Nagpa-cancel ako, nag-throw out ticket po ako. Because I am 50% sa Emirates Airline. And then, nagto-throw out na talaga ako. I have experienced it myself. So, that's why I can, if you are a traveler, you know all the rules and policy of some of the airline. So, yun lang po ang sabihan nyo, ang client nyo, before kayo, ito ha, ganito to, and this one. And then, that's, when you issue the ticket, you have to be black and white. Do not give them false hope as well. You have, as a travel and tours, you are a home-based travel and tours, you have also to read the rules and regulations in terms of check-in. Alam nyo dapat yung proper na mga baggage. Si Philippine Airline is very strict on the size of the luggage. So, dapat alam po natin yan. Baka pagdating ni client doon, uy, sabi mo 40 kilos. Okay, Philippine Airline only allows maximum of 25 kilos, whether domestic or international. Once ang client sobra, they have to pay on the airport na. Sa airport na sila magbabayad. So, kahit anong pilit ni client, magbayad na ako sa'yo ng, kasi 30 kilos, may excess ako ng 5 kilos. You cannot do that. It's because Philippine Airlines has different policy. However, if they really wanted to insist 40 kilos, then give them Cebu Pacific or AirAsia because they cater until 40 kilos. Yun po yung ano natin ha, sa mga airline. Okay, I'm gonna show you Philippine Airline. 'Di ba kanina pinikita ko is Cebu Pac, walang free. Now here, if you will notice, si Philippine Airline may 15 kilos, right? Nakita nyo yung 15 kilos? Magsabi, Doc, bakit hindi 20 kilos? Now, Philippine Airline also have different basket of free baggages. Meron na rin silang economy na walang super, super economy na walang free baggage, by the way. Yung nagsunod sila kay Cebu Pac. Pero meron silang promo economy na 10 kilos, 15 kilos. Now, if your client is going to Coron or going to Palawan, allowable lang po nila is 10 kilos. Yung free baggage nila, 10 kilos lang. So, if nag-excess si client, then they have to add on, magbabayad na sila. And then, we know Philippine Airlines will always give free meals. And again, you have to read the rules and regulations and then let your client read it as well. Ito, PAL Express kasi to. Nakita nyo sa taas, PAL Express. Kaya 15 kilos lang. Pero kung yung Philippine Airlines talaga to, 20 kilos to ang Davao to Manila or Manila to Davao. Kaya may pag PAL Express, 15 kilos minsan ang ginabigay lang. So dapat alam natin yung mga free baggage ng each airline para hindi rin tayo masisi ni client. And then this is my first international of my daughter. And this is Cathay. I remember this one. My friend in Canada, nagpa-book po siya sa akin. And my daughter kasi joined already this business in 2018 and she borrowed money 3,850 to me to start out with the business. Sabi ko nga, hindi masama ang mangutang. Basta may magandang papuntahan. So, I said, okay. And then, she was the one who booked this one. And then, actually, dalawa to sila. So, she have a 1,000 per way. So, the round trip, 2,000. Bakit? When you go to Cathay, ang a two-way ticket for one person, that was 50,000. And when she asked me to book her, it was only 25,000 with the 2,000 markup na. So, ibig sabihin, the real cost of the airline was 23,000. So, imagine, yung si Cathay Pacific mismo na website, ang mahal, 50K. While sa website sa portal natin, it was only 25,000 with the 2,000 markup. So sa akin siya kumuha, but it was my daughter who booked it up. So in one night, in one day, nakakuha ng 4,000 kaagad ang anak ko. It's because dalawang tao. So imagine, if you asked me, Doc, how long it will take me to recover my 3,890. For my daughter, it's only one day. Binigay niya sa akin ang 4,000. May tubo pa na 150, di ba? So, 100%, more than 100%. Kasi the next time she booked, it was already more than the profit that she can have. Kasi nabawi na niya ang 3,890 eh. So, that's the good thing with this business. No, hindi araw-araw may booking tayo. That's the reality. Hindi araw-araw. Minsan isa sa isang week. But during the time, I would say during the time na walang pandemic, we would earn 10,000 in a week for this ticketing only. But now may mga bago lang last January, one of my downline has booked 2 tickets. So she has 2,000 already. So not bad. Naku na, 'di ba? May 2,000 na siyang markup. So that is already good. So sino bang magbibigay sa atin during pandemic ng 2,000 extra? More than of our salary, more than what we are earning na mga ano tawag nito, for those who are receiving pension already, for those who are receiving allowance, this is a very good thing that we can help ourselves and our parents for those who are students here. So yan siya, no? So yan ang first airline na namin, international. So I'm giving you our first and Now, when you will request a baggage, this is how you're gonna email. In the heading, you will request for baggage. Doc, kailan tayo magre-request? Ito kasi si client, minsan hindi nakakapag-decide kung bibili ng baggage, or let's say 20 muna sila kilos, and then they decided, I need to go for 40 kilos. Here, you see, in the beginning, this client did not request only have 20 kilos. So I wrote, I would like to request to add 20 kilos each passenger as mentioned below for PRN. So, nilagay ko yung PRN. Remember, I told you that's very important in the communication, email communication, to mention the PRN and then the passenger. And then, here, there is a seat number of the passenger, the J1 and J2. And then, I said kindly expedite because this was, galing kasi to sila ng Dubai. And then they want to go back here in Davao. So they wanted to add 20 more kilos. So this is how you're gonna email. So you mention the PRN and then you mention the passenger's name and their seat. Kasi ito kasi, airline ticket number or basta ito yan siya. Ito, very important yan. Nasa ticket naman yan. You have to copy and paste nasa ticket, e-ticket. So, yan. And then, if there is a cancellation, again, you have to mention the PRN, attach the e-ticket of the client para ma-process din ni biyahe ko. So, here are some
Coach Doc?
Yes po.
Sorry po for butt in. Nawala po kasi signal ko kanina. Saan po pala yung i-email? Balebiyahe.com?
Meron tayong email. I will show you at the end ng mga emails,
sige
okay?
po, sige po.
Okay.
Sorry po, sige, sorry.
No problem, no problem. Now, if there is an urgent cancellation, this is my email. I'm gonna give you only the, pero paiba-iba tayo, no? So, my heading, urgent inquiry for possible cancellation of booking. Because there was one client in Japan na gusto niya mag-cancel. And then, he was asking if there is a refund. Now, this is Cebu Pacific. Now, check. This is the PNR of that client of mine from Japan. And of course, is Mr. Inerase ko na lang yung name for confidentiality. The travel fund amount is 9,736.52. The ticket cost was 17,500. So it means Cebu Pacific will not refund 100%. Okay? Yan si Cebu Pacific. And then, here, please be advised that there is no cash refund. So, remember na si Cebu Pacific, hindi nagbibigay ng cash refund. They will gonna refund you with another ticket. So, dapat alam po natin to. So that our client, hindi rin umasa na merong perang darating. So, one thing that is our responsibility as travel agency, home base, is we have to know what are the policies of each airline. Lalo na, kung wala kayong time, edi mag-aral kayo pag nag-book na kayo, tapos let's say, Emirates Airline, na gusto siya ng Emirates, then Google or ask Emirates Airline customer service, what if there is something, situations like this or scenarios, what will be my response? So, ito yung mga travel fund mechanics, and then they will give you all. And this is also the things that you have to relate to your client. No? So, you have to be careful on what you say because at the end of the day, hindi mo gustong mag-abono. 'Di ba? Sino bang gusto mag-abono? Sino yung humingi ng Coach Kathleen?
Wala.
Ikaw ba yung humingi ng kuan?
Yes po.
Okay. So, yun, allow na kita po. So, ito yun pag mga may cancellation na pwede maka-refund. Kasi may mga ticket. As I've said a while ago, there are tickets that cannot be refunded because there are promo tickets. And then again, you cannot tell or assure your client that 100% ang maibigay na refund. Please bear that in mind. Again, if that is the client's gusto, no, na mag-cancel. But if the cancellation is caused by the airline because of its mga unforeseen events, then may responsibility si airline sa client natin. They have to give full. Like here, like now in pandemic, they give full refund naman during the pandemic. I have experience in Cathay na nagkaroon ng problema. I was stuck in Hong Kong for like 10 hours. I was supposedly my layover is only 4 hours, but it went to 10 hours. They give us $100 voucher for food. That's how responsible some airlines when they are the cause of the delay of the flight. Yun siya. Okay. So, yun. Ano ba yun? Allow to record. Yes, Coach Kath, na ano ko na po. So, next would be package. Now, in the package tour, although I will show you, but I am giving you already some of the insight para later, diretso-diretso na ang pagkaintindi nyo when we go to live. Now, when you arrange package, this is a Cebu package and this is Alice Alson's Inn. Do not tell your client na 5-star hotel yun. Okay, and then you tell let's triple occupancy. So 3,500 per person, minimum of 3 person. So this package, pag dalawa lang, hindi pwede kasi this is what the package tells you, minimum of 3 person. Kasi triple occupancy to. So nangyayari, pag meron kayong example, dalawa lang tao and then may iba kayong client na isa lang, pwede niyo siya i-join. Only and if only and if ha, papayag yung dalawa. Pag hindi, ay hindi pwede. Bigyan nyo sila ng ibang in na pwede dalawa. Ibang package, Cebu package that they allow minimum of 2. Now here, the inclusions. Be careful. Wala pong free airline tickets of some of the packages. Makikita nyo yan later na hindi naka-highlight si airline. So here, 2 nights room accommodation, daily breakfast, round trip, airport, and seaport transfer. And then they have a travel insurance and there is a free city tour. Now, be careful on the city tour. Huwag mo sabihin naman na lahat ng tourist spot ng Cebu pupuntahan nila. Mag-expect. Be careful on what you tell about the package. Ma'am, yung free natin, city tour lang po, Cebu and Mactan. But you have free lunch lang. But if you want to go to Taoist Temple or other, and that will be at your own cost na. Example lang. Okay? So, let's say, yung iba pupunta nung sa Sagada. Sagada ba yun? I forgot. Yung parang ano sa Cebu. Yung pinupuntahan talaga ng mga Catholic. Yung Mama Mary doon.
Simala po.
Simala, no? Simala, oo. Hindi yan kasali. So, you have to say that there's additional cost. So, yan lang naman kasi, the more honest and very transparent we are with our client, we avoid future. And then one thing is good is you have to really attend the training of this. Kasi kung nag-start up ka lang ng ticketing and you did not attend any training, you end up empty-handed. And you do not know how to address the issue of your client. And then you say, ay, yung ano ko, nag-mentor ko, hindi ako tinulungan. But the main thing is, you did not attend any training. You did not know the cause and pros of what you are telling. And it's not good to give false hope to your client, especially we are into service. Okay. So here, this is e-wallet funding. Ngayon, we have to email and attach our receipt for our e-wallet funding. So this is an example of mine. I send an e-wallet funding. You have to, Doc, ano yung PhD? This is your terminal ID. So dapat you mention your terminal ID and your agency. So my name of my travel agency is Azeldri Travel and Tours. And then my terminal ID is PhD. Pag Davao ka, talagang may DVO, Davao. And then the amount that you are going to have for e-wallet, that's 1,000. And then here, you have to attach the receipt. So clear, and then in the other side of the it's the bank account of upfront fees. So these are the different banks, and then we have ML. I do not know if they are receiving still the ML wallet. I saw na parang na-cancel to, and then the GCash. Now, ask muna the office if they accept GCash, kasi minsan pag na-reach na yung limit ng so hindi na pwede. So, better see when you go to banks. Especially for OFW, you use the bank. And mas mabilis if you have BPI and BDO, mas mabilis kung may BDO na kayo sa Philippines and you just transfer from BDO to BDO. If you have that, that's easier. Kaya, and faster. Kasi it will take, if for example, if you go to, for Dubai, UAE, I can speak of, mostly is Al Ansari, no? Jan. So if you're gonna send money through Al-Ansari and to the bank account, there is a clearing of 2 to 3 days. So, hindi na fund yung wallet nyo until mag-clear sa account ni So, I suggest, kung talagang madali, and may mga client kasi tayo, like, I have experience in Dubai, may mga client nagmamadali. Talagang, we need this one. So, let them say, if they have bank accounts in Philippines, much better yon ang i-transfer nila. Kasi, di naman tayo pwede mag-confirm ng ticket na hindi sila nagbayad. Again, Doc, client ko, pwede ba sila magbayad diretso kay BDO, kay upfront fees? Pwede, pero hindi mo makukuha yung patong mo na 2,000. Kasi once nasa e-wallet fund na yun siya, hindi mo na yun ma-withdraw. Pero pwede mo gamitin pang bayad ng load mo, ganon. Pero kung gusto mo talaga kunin ng kita mo from your client, sabihin mo si client, i-deposit mo sa account ko, and then from your account, you're gonna deposit to upfront fees. But in my case, if you're gonna ask, hindi ipinapadiretso ko po yung bayad ni client doon sa account ni upfront fees. Bakit? Kasi yung kita ko, niro-roll ko na siya as my pondo for future transactions. Kaya I do not waste my own money in my... Doc, ang mahal naman ng mga international, 50,000. Paano po ba yun? You do not need to have 50,000. All you have to do is ask your client for payment for confirmation of ticket. 'Di ba pag pumunta ka naman ng ibang airline, i-confirm ba ang ticket ninyo kung wala kayong credit card, wala kayong cash? 'Di ba hindi? Am I right? Tama po ba
Yes.
ako? So, yun din ang gawin natin. Yun din ang gawin natin. Pay first and then I'm gonna confirm. And then put time. Okay, I'm gonna reserve this, is baka ito in few seconds mag-change ang ang price. So, be careful also. You tell your client that the tickets in matter of seconds that it will change, ha? Nag-change yung ng ticket. Matter of seconds. That's why I wanted to book ticket early in the morning, like 2 a.m. Kasi medyo stable ang mga prices niyan at mura pag nag-book ako ng 2 a.m. Kaya para akong owl dati. No? But it's okay. Kasi pag 2 a.m., it's like I'm still like 10 p.m. in Dubai. Parang yung body clock ko that time when I started this business, right? So yan siya, no? And then these are the emails that you have to send sa biyahe ko. And then, of course, always CC upfrontbees.services@gmail.com. So, lahat ng email natin, we have to screenshot na lang po for those who are here na hindi naka-record, screenshot. And so, that's it. And then for Biyahe Ko Advisory, January 15, yung air support nila at gicorefield.com, there will be a new email account, but then they are accepting inquiries in helpdesk@gcorefield.com. Okay? So, are we ready for the portal? Question mo, mamaya ng question na. Now, this is, can you view now the biyahe ko? Can you see the biyahe ko? Nakikita?
Wala po, coach.
Dok, wala pa po.
Wala
Ito.
pa po.
Nakita
Yan.
nyo na?
Okay na po.
Yan po, copy po.
Okay. Saglit lang ha. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back po. Unom lang saglit tubig ha. So, when you will have your portal, I think you receive email na from Biyahe Ko, right? And that you receive your terminal ID and your user ID and your password. You just change your password. And then, ito na yon. Ito kasi sa akin ano na. Just type your portal. In the portal, your terminal ID. So, and then, yung user ID mo is your travel and tours na names. Di ba, Azeldri Travel and Tours ako. So, Azeldri yan. And then, the password, then, every 15 days po, nag-change ang password ni Biyahe Ko. So, do not be shocked na mag-prompt na siya na mag-change or expired na yung password nyo. This is for security services purposes. Kasi, pag may pondo kayong malaki, yung maka-open ng portal nyo, baka i-book niya ng ticket, i-buy niya ng load, ibayad niya ng mga bills niya, no? Ang hirap, ano? So, this is very important na kayo lang nakaalam ng password. So, I'll sign in. And then, it will take you to this platform. So, let's go on the top. Makita nyo, di ba, si Biyahe Ko on the left corner, Biyahe Ko Travel and Beyond. You can change this one po. Wala si Biyahe Ko. You can change it to your own logo. Now, how do you do that? Nakita nyo tong, ano, oh my God. I'll take it down. Nakita nyo tong tao on the right side, katabi ni balance amount. Can you see it, right?
Opo.
Okay, just click at that one and then my profile, account statement is there, change password and log out. So we'll have the my profile. Now, if you want to put your logo, you can upload your logo, your own logo of your, tawag nito, your travel and tour. Sa akin, di ko change kasi yung logo ko malaki ang file and I did not know how to adjust the pixel into smaller one. So, kaya Biyahe Ko pa rin ang nakalagay. But I know a lot of people change the Biyahe Ko into their own logo. And then, of course, you can put some of your terminal ID, your alias name, whatever it is, your email ID, and your address para, and if you want to edit it, if you want to put your TIN number, it's okay. If you don't want, it's okay din. So, yun, no? And then if you have that one, then you can say edit profile. If you don't want to edit your profile, then it's okay. Now, change password, you can change your password. Ang ibinibigay po ni, that is, if you want to change the binigay ni Biyahe Ko, you can change your password. Okay. So, next would be the menu. We have the home menu, the airline menu, we have the bus, we have the hotel, we have the holiday package, we have the insurance, we have the ferry, and we have the mobile, and then we have the visa. And ang promo po dito is yung mga promo na mga flights, promo na mga package tours nandito po. But be careful lang sa mga dates kasi baka ang ma-post nyo sa Facebook is yung expired na ang promo. Nangyayari po yan. The top up, leave it as it be kasi dumadaan tayo kay upfront fees. Okay. Now, let's go to home. Now, ang home, itong bahay kaya home. Now, makikita natin ngayon at the bottom, nakita po ba natin si bank deposit, service charge, CBR request? Nakikita po ba natin?
Yes po.
Okay. Unahin natin si service charge. Remember sa PowerPoint ko, yung pwede lang tayong mag-adjust and according to our gusto na charges is si airline. The rest is fixed like the bus, di ba, 200, yung hotel, pag domestic, 100, pag international, 150, di ba, fixed siya. But airline ticket, we can play around. So here, so service charge, domestic, click domestic. If you will notice, my adult, my child, my infant have the same service charge, 500, 500. Now, if you want to edit, nakita nyo yung pencil at the right side, the word action. Nakita nyo po ba? So, I'll just edit. If you want to change the child into 300, it's okay. And the infant, you will charge 200. It's okay. And then click the check update and then proceed. Are you sure you want to update this amount and then proceed. And then close. Now, you will see also at the bottom yung airline-wise recharge. Ito, kung gusto mo, kung you are very, masigasig na mag-airline by airline, isa-isahin mo si Cebu Pac, si Cebu Pac, 300 lang. Ay, pag si Philippine Airline, 500 lang. Pwede ka mag-airline-wise. But that is very meticulous. I do not want you to do that. So what I suggest, mag-common service charge tayo. What does it mean? Kahit anong airline pa man yan, you have the same. Hindi ka na sige edit. Now, if you want to go to international, pakimute lang mga ganda. You click international. And if you would notice, again, I have all 1,000. Now, if you want to edit, I see child, pwede po ba 800 lang? It's okay. Yes, pwede. And then si infant, 500. This is per way, ha? This is per way. So, and then proceed. And then close. So, that is how, before you start booking, you make sure that you have
Sabi dyan sa iyo, nagugulo sa akin.
markup. Pa-mute lang. Pa-mute lang po. Pa-mute
Sir
lang.
Jan, paki-mute po.
Okay. So, may mga baguhan.
Coach Doc?
Yes po. Yes?
Sorry to interrupt. Hindi
Yes.
po ako nakahabol kung saan yung pre-nest na charges.
Ito pong itong
Bago po tayo pupunta dyan. Saan po yun?
Okay. Sa home tayo.
Okay.
Yung bahay, 'di ba, na menu. And then at the bottom, you can see service charge. You click it. And then, yun, na-edit natin. Ito yung may parang ballpen. And then the international.
Okay po, okay.
No problem.
Salamat.
Okay. Now, why is it's the first thing that I teach you? Kasi ang dami pong sa Diamond ko na grupo na nag-release ng ticket, nakalimutan nilang mag-charge. 'Di ba? So yan, talagang una ko talagang tinuturo before going into a transaction, please check your service charge. Now, if you want to adjust, just edit it. Ay, kamag-anak ko instead of charging 500 per way, I will charge only 300. Then you have to, again, go back and edit your service charge. Now, let's do the booking for, Now, if you are familiar with airport, hanapin natin po airport. Kasi ang dami magsabi, Doc, hindi ko makita Cotabato City. Ano ba yan? Ano bang lugar? Tawag nito, Germany. Let's say Germany. Ano bang mga airport ni Germany? Kaya isa rin yan. Ang dami query. So, if you are a traveler, medyo familiar ka. So, saan ba siyang city pupunta? Munich. Then you look for the airport, the name of the airport of that. So, let's say, I'm gonna go to Davao. I'm from Davao, sorry. And then I'll go to Manila. Madali lang pag domestic, di ba? So, Manila. So, again, round trip. Now, remember, pag domestic, may nakikita tayong cost. May nakita tayong cost, presyo, di ba? Presyo, right? Now, if the client will ask you, ano bang pinakamura? I want to go on weekend. Pwede ba sa Friday? Medyo mahal si Friday, di ba? 943. Pero, pag Saturday and Sunday, 786 lang. Ang baba, di ba? But, wag itong ibigay kay client, ha? Itong 786 cost to ng airline. Wala pa yung patong natin. Do we understand? Wala pa ang patong. So, when you will gonna propose a date to your client, sabihin mo na, ay, Miss Kathleen, I want to go to Manila on Saturdays. On this weekend, ano bang mura? Friday, Saturday. Sabihin mo, I suggest Saturday kasi mura siya. How much? Saglit lang ibibigay ko sa yung quotation. So, click. Now, sabihin mo, kailan mo gustong bumalik? Ay, balikan ako ng, let's say March 1. 771 lang. Hindi ba to ibigay kay client? Kung ilang days ka pala client, pag sabi Miss Kathleen, tanungin mo si client mo, ay 5 days. So probably Saturday, ay pwede ka sa Saturday din next week, 1 week, this is 743 lang. Pero hindi yan ang presyong ibibigay mo. Again, kasi kosto. Now, since ilan ka ba? Ilan ba kayo? One, may preferred ka ba na airline? Ito, di ba may preferred airline? Pag walang preferred airline si client, then you just click search. And then it will give you the list of the flights for that day. Now again, minsan si client nagka-canvas yan. Ay, bakit si mura lang ang bigay? Ano pong oras ang binigay nila? Remember, pag morning flight, mas mura po yan kaysa afternoon flight. Pero pag nabigay nyo kay client is afternoon flight, medyo medyo mahal na siya. So in this flight, I would suggest you give Philippine Airline. Doc, mas mura si AirAsia. Ba't mo bigyan si AirAsia? Bigyan mo pa ng headache si client. So, ikaw magiging travel consultant ka. So, we have 8:30 a.m. na flight. Are you willing to wake up early in the morning, Mr. So-and-so? If her answer is, ay, ayoko, gusto ko ng hapon. Sabihin mo, ang pinakamura sa hapon is, anong oras ba tong 1725? That is, anong oras?
5:25.
5:25.
5:25.
Wag din kayo magkamali sa oras. Ang dami kong kakilala sa grupo kong say tapal gani sa Tagalog, kuya.
Abono po.
Kaabono.
Abono.
Kasi mali. 2 a.m. Akala niya 2 p.m. So pagdating ni client ng 2 p.m., sabi, uy, 2 a.m. So nakalimutan ng that is if airline will have military time. So ilahon pod nato si military time, no? So we will click if she or he wanted really the afternoon, then give this. Anyway, it's the same price in the morning, right? And then pagbalik, why would you choose AirAsia na walang free baggage? 1313, it's a matter of how much, pilang pesos? 8 pesos lang ang tama ba? 8 pesos? Ang 9 pesos. So click that one and then below it will give you 2657. So remember kanina, 'di ba? 700 yung nakita natin ng cost, 700 lang 'yon. Tapos dito 1336 na. It's because added na yung 500 natin. So, in this situation, may 1,000 ka na. So, sabihin mo na ngayon si client, oy, your 2657. Original cost nito is 1657. Ang 1,000, kita po natin. Very good or very, very good?
Very good.
Diba? Diba? So, hindi mo
Very good.
Very good, diba? So, pag ikaw, what is this advantage kung meron kang sariling portal? Like me, I have always shared this to a lot of people. Why did I choose this kind of industry? It's because if you're gonna check my Facebook, yung personal ko ha, my student doesn't know my personal because I gave them a different profile para hindi ako makita ang personal life ko din. So, if you're my friend on my personal profile, makita mo mga travels ko. And I think some of you know me for a couple of years. Advantage po sa akin. Kasi instead magbabayad ako ng 1,000 sa agent's fee, ibubuk ko na lang ang sarili ko. 'Di ba nakamura pa ako? 'Di ba? So when I went to Cebu last time, 900 lang nabayaran ko po. Kasi portal kong ginamit ko. Wala nang agent's fee, di ba? So that is the one thing. Even in this time of pandemic, if we know relatives, friends who would gonna travel, let them book to you and then give them a good price. Anyway, if they are satisfied with your services, they will really book again to you. Pwede mo sa 1,000, pwede mo siya, ay, pwede na ihangyo. That Filipino attitude, di ba? O sige, pwede kitang bigyan less 200, less 100. Yan na po, sagad na po. But then you still have 800 pesos, right? And that is not bad. That is not bad. What if dalawa to silang
Yes
nag-book?
po.
What if dalawa silang nag-book? How much would we have? Sa 800 times 2, it will still be 1,600. Even if you give them a discount of 200 pesos, still you earn out of it. And all you did is just book. That's why I love e-services. Because The only thing you have is an internet, minsan nga nagsi-CR ako po, totoo talaga. And a lot of people my downlines would know. Kasi pag pusot-pusot ganyang reply ko sa, ako niyan, it's my time in CR. And even I book on the CR. 5 minutes nakabook. Minsan nagkaklase po ako noon. I'll gonna reply to my client, can I just get back to you after an hour? Kasi my priority is teaching as well, no? So, and then when I get back, then I'll book in 5 minutes using my mobile. And that is the only capital you have. If you don't have an Android, you just buy one Android, and then anywhere around the world, you'll have your business with you. 'Di ba? Nakakaganda na bibit-bit mo ang business mo. And then, any question on the international? So, I'll try to book this one. Bakit Philippine Airline? Kasi si Philippine Airline, we can book kahit wala tayong pondo. Let me check. Magkano balance ko? 20 pesos. 'Di ba? Naubos po nung time ng ECQ and COVID, yung 6 months, lahat ng pondo ko, I have like around 10,000 siguro na pondo. Before my bills payment dito, so I was able to pay my bills as well as my mga load ko. Kasi I have always 350 every month for my annually calls and annually text and message. And then my kids, I took it out from my profit. So my communication expense, I did not shell out on my savings. I have take it out from my profit. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, di ba? When I begin, I always ask my audience, do you have savings? So you would appreciate the kind of business that you're going into it. Because this is your business. This is something that you have to take care of like your child. 'Di ba? So, I want you to understand that one. Sa parang hindi lang kayo nag-invest sa wala. It might be 3,890, but it will triple or maybe million times kung talagang maging okay na tayo. Lifetime po ang portal. In this, if you will see, my last transaction here was last February kasi nag-ECQ, 'di ba? Sa 2020. But alhamdulillah, last January, may nag-inquire sa akin. And then I got pangbayad ng bills, 'di ba? Pangbayad ng SSS. So, sino ba naman magbibigay sa iyo ng 2,000, 'di ba? Wala. So, how do we proceed? If your client is okay with the 2,657, then let's proceed. Now, since this is agent's detail, just click the box. Automatically, it will be there. Now, let me have a dummy. Magdami lang ako si Mr. Ter Roar, ang apelyido, and male. And then, I agree. Now, nakita nyo ang reserve? Nakita nyo ang reserve na box? Wala.
Yes po,
Coach.
Cebu Pacific and Air Philippines walang reserve. Bayad muna bago ka makabook. But si Philippine Airline, we can make reservation even if we do not have money in our e-wallet. Diba? Pinakita ko 20 pesos. So, if I'll gonna reserve this one, pwede pong ma-reserve. Now, what you're gonna do is tell your client, I'll gonna reserve this, but you have to maximum of 4 hours to pay me. Otherwise, this is auto-cancel. So, 4 hours magpapadala talaga si client. So, yan, nakabook. It says your request is black deadline for ticketing. Okay. So, naka-reserve na po tayo. Again, I will reiterate that only Philippine Airline for local or domestic flight ang pwede maka-reserve. Sa AirAsia and Cebu Pacific, we cannot reserve. Dapat may pondo po tayo. Kaya ako, nagkubibigay lang ako ng quotation if my client wanted Cebu Pacific and AirAsia. Kasi mura naman din talaga si AirAsia. When we went to Bali, I only paid 3,557, I think, sa 3,500 going to Bali with my children. So this is the luxury of having your own travel agency because you can easily go wherever you wanted. Whenever you wanted to travel, you can easily go. And when I went to Thailand, I also booked myself on Cathay Pacific. And then one of my friend na pareho kaming nagpunta ng Thailand, sa akin nag-book. So I have earned as well 1,000, no? So we travel together, sa akin nagpa-book. So yun. Now, how will I check kung na-reserve ba yon? Nakita nyo yung menu ni airline, click airline, and then, di ba sa baba, may ticket history? Nakita natin po?
Opo.
Then we'll click the ticket history. And then since it was a domestic, so remember, baka hindi nyo na-check. So February 18 man ako nagpa-book. So check lang nito February 18. And then do not forget to click, that was a domestic man. 'Di ba na flight? So click domestic. Baka na-click nyo si international, then it will, sige ka, kahit anong pindot mo ng submit, walang information. So I'm gonna submit. Then nakita natin, no? Ito yung PNR na sinasabi ko na very important. So, ang PNR is GVN 555. Wow, ganda naman. Then, book by terror. So, ako, tanggal. Lahat ba naman tinawag ko? Terror. Philippine Airline. Ito yung sa airline na PNR. Davao Origin. Bakit destination? Okay. Round trip pala tayo. Itong 1657, wag mo to ibigay kay client. Remember, magkano yung kinote mo kay client? 2,657. Na-clear tayo? Huwag ito ibigay ha. Costing natin to. May 1,000 pa tayo. So, now, if you want to print, sabi ni client, ay, gusto ko makita ang reservation mo. Click mo yung action and then print. Di ba nakita si 1,000 na service charge? Nakita mo? Nakita nyo?
Opo.
Now, at the
Opo.
last moment, nasabi mo, ay, client, 2,657. Now, at the last moment, maghingi si client ng discount. Binigyan mo ng 200. Pwede ka mag-edit dito ng 800. Pwede mo siyang i-change to 800. Nagets? Without going to the home menu. Nakuha? Pwede natin siya. So, let's say 1,000 lang para makita natin. Pag change natin to 200, sige, sabi talaga ni client, makulit. Bigyan mo pa ako kay 200 lang. Okay. Buti na, pang taxi ko na papuntang airport yan. So, bigyan mo ng 800. This is the last and then you just update it and then it will change to 800 ang service charge. So 1,000. So, let's say print. So, nakita mo ninyo, 2,657. Di ba? And this is the reservation na mabigay nyo kay client. Pag makita ninyo ang status to ticket, hindi siya confirmed flight. Nakita nyo tong status? At the right side, yung hinighlight ko. To ticket. Meaning, naka-reserve lang siya but not confirmed. In case hindi magbayad si client, automatic mag-auto cancel. And then you can print this one. Okay. Sabihin mo, client, wala siyang free. Remember that original cost of this is 700. Ibig sabihin, promo ticket ito. 'Di ba? So, walang free baggage. 'Di ba sinabi ko kanina na si Philippine Airline, meron din silang promo package like Cebu Pacific na walang free package. Yung eco-economy pa nila. Pero yung normal na economy nila, meron talagang 20 or 15. Pero pag, PAL Express, 15 kilos lang yan. Pero pag ito, Philippine Airline ito 20 kilos dapat. And since this is a promo, which is 700 lang ang cost nito, kaya wala siyang free baggage. So, just print. Sabihan mo lang si client, wala. And then, if he or she wanted to add 20 kilos, then you have to email biyahe ko and CC upfront for the additional baggage. The one that I show you how sa email kanina, that's how you're gonna do that. So now, I'm gonna close. So yan. Now, let's say si client nagbayad na. Nakita nyo itong kamay? Nakita nyo si hand?
Opo.
Just click ka na hand para nagbayad na si client, di ba? To confirm this one and then press book. And since wala akong pera, mag-e-error ito. Hindi siya magbo-book kasi wala akong pera. Nagets? So, pero kung meron akong laman, wala kasi akong laman 20 lang. So, hindi siya magbo-book. So, yan lang. Pag may laman yan, just book. Just click the hand and then book. And then automatically it will be booked. It will give you a confirm. But this, because I do not have money, hindi siya mag-confirm. Okay lang? Now, since ayaw ko to ticket ang status, it will change into confirm. Pag nag-confirm na to, ang status nito, it will change to confirm. And then, after few minutes, like 5 minutes, biyahe ko will send you an email. So, I'm gonna show here how is the email. E-wallet fund ito, no? Wait, I'm gonna search here, booking. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo. Paano ang mga bookings? Basta maka-receive po kayo ng ano niyan. Mga portal logins man to. Wait. Ito na lang kay Christine. Si Christine kasi reservation to. Kita niyo yung travel reservation for December 20. Ibig sabihin, nag-reserve lang. Ang international pala class, guys, pwede mag-reserve ha. Ito kasi nag-reserve ako. So, pag nag-reserve, si biyahe ko will gonna email you will email for confirmation before. So, ngayon, pwede na kasi tayo mag-confirm mismo sa biyahe ko. And then, they will give you an email and then this will give this to you, yung ticket na confirm. Makaka-receive po tayo ng confirm ticket sa email. Let's say. Hindi ko mahanap yung mga confirmed ticket. Like, let me see here. Sa A4, let me see. Hindi ko Anyways, they will give you an email and then you will also receive text message confirming your flight. So since this one is a dummy, I'm gonna delete this one ha. Nakita nyo yung box, yung parang basurahan dito. So kung nakita nyo, you will just click that one and then automatically it will be deleted. So dapat ma-delete na siya. So I'll ganyan close. So success. So dapat ma-delete. Ano nangyari? Okay. Let me save. Nag-aano kasi to every 15 minutes si biyahe ko. Okay. So, deleted na siya. Nakita nyo? Deleted na. Are you still with me? Okay.
Yes po.
Nakita nyo. Pag nakita nyo deleted, because that was a dummy. Now, I'm gonna show you as well a local using Cebu Pacific ha. Para makita nyo yung difference. Bakit? So Davao to Manila. And then, let's say, I'm gonna choose the, di ba kanina 700 lang yun? Nag-836 na ngayon, di ba? Ang 27. That's how fast the fare changes. Di ba remember nyo kanina when we search for Davao to Manila,
Opo.
700 lang, 800 na ngayon ang 27. So kaya huwag kayong magsabi na yan talaga ang based on our experience sa Diamond Group, ang dami talagang nagbigay ng price and then hindi ba na binayaran ni client and then when nagpadala si client ng pera, iba na ang price. That's why you always have to say to your client within this time, para maano sila. You do not know if that is the last ticket na. So let's say sa February 28 tayo and then uwi tayo ng March. So ang pinakamura, 'di ba dati 700 rin yung Saturday o nag-830 na. Let's say pauwiin natin ng Friday para mura. Buot-buot, no? Sige lang, sample lang man. So, what happened is that Cebu Pac ang piliin natin. Anyway, I will not give an example of AirAsia anymore because they have the same naman. So, si Cebu Pac 1717 and then here 1378. And again, that is 3,095. So, ang ibigay mo kay client 3,095. Let's see the difference paano. So, i-book ko si Cebu Pac. Again, the same. We'll have to fill up. And then, let's say, Terror. Makita mo si Cebu Pac naghingi ng birthday. Diba kay Pal, wala? So let's say yan, iba-iba yan. Kaya pag naghingi ka ng details ni client, can you give me your name, your address, your phone number, birthday, or if not, much better, hingi ka ng valid ID. Kasi each airline, iba-iba yung passenger details na hinihingi. Now, if nakita nyo tong get passenger, nakita nyo to?
Yes po.
If old client ko yan siya, pwede ko lang hilapin, ay, old client ko na to. Para hindi na ako magbalik-balik ng type. Nakita niya, pag old client siya. So, pag bago, you type again, no? Mag-close lang tayo. Pero if in case, ang nagpabook sa akin, ang mahilig magpabook, let's say, magpabook, ito si Kito. Kito mahilig ba nito? Ito, so select ko. Automatic, nandyan na lahat. Pati birthday niya. Hindi ka na mag-type. Nagets? So, paano yon kung baguhan? Doc, type mo si Terror. And then, i-click mo lang to. So, ibig sabihin, yan si Terror, add on to the list na. So, the next time si Terror mag-book, di mo na i-type, mag-get passenger ka na. Kinlik ko, di ba? Automatic na save na yun sa database. Okay. Now, anong kaibahan kay PAL tsaka kay Cebu Pac? Makita mo kay PAL, di ba wala tong add-on services? Walang add-on services. But Cebu Pacific, meron. May meal and baggage. Now, tanungin mo si client, gusto mo ba ng baggage? How much? 20, 32, and 40. Kung 20 kilo, 448 ang add-on. Now, you have to explain kay client. May mga client mag-say, sige, I'll decide later kung ilang kilos. Huwag mo lang lagyan. Remind kay client, ma'am, itong 448, this is the price when you book when you buy upon booking. Pero kung mag-add on ka after na confirm na ang ticket, hindi na 448 po. It will be something 500 plus. Iba po ang price ng baggage, check-in baggage, when it is upon booking or after booking. Nagets po natin? Baka ang ibigay nyo 448, magtapal pa po kayo, mag-abono po kayo. Pag si client, yan lang, uy, sabi mo 448, nandito sa chat natin, no? And you be careful. Sabihan mo, ma'am, mas mabuti you buy the baggage during the time of booking. And then sa pag gusto niya, okay, 2. And then meron ba tayong, may flexi po tayo, yung 559 is meron ng food. I will zero this one Itong 559, total flexi, meron ng food and baggage na 20 kilos ngayon. Ito yung special mga flexi. But if not, then you have to, ayaw niya ng flexi, gusto niya lang baggage lang, then baggage lang. So let's say we'll add 20 kilos. Round trip, isang trip to. Ma'am, pagbalik mo, 20 kilos pa rin. Ay, galing Manila. Marami na akong dala niyan. So gawin mo ng 40 kilos. So yan. And then, kung gusto niya ng flexi sa return, then you click also the flexi. And then you confirm. And then makita mo naka-add-on na yan. 'Di ba dati 3,000 lang, ngayon 4,775 na. Makita mo dito walang reserve, 'di ba? Pag agree mo, walang reserve. Book now. So ibig sabihin, Cebu Pac and AirAsia, we cannot do any reservation. So mag-quote lang tayo kay client. Oy, client, 4,775 ang babayaran mo. And then, sabihin mo, ay, dapat within this day or kung pwede, as soon as possible. Kasi nga, sabihin mo na every now and then, nag-change ang price. Now, I'll try to book this one, So, nakita mo. Pwede mong hanggang dito. Pakita mo kay client, tama ba ang flight? Tama ba ang papuntahan mo, Davao, Manila? And then you book. Makikita mo, mag-e-error. Your agent credit limit is less than the total cost. So, ibig sabihin, kulang pera ko. Hindi ako makabook. So, that's the difference between Philippine Airline and Cebu Pac. If you will ask me, how would I make suggestion. I usually make suggestion sa Philippine Airlines kasi nakakapag-reserve ako. So that is how, and then for international, by the way, you always suggest a round trip kung talaga namang round trip. Pero a lot of Filipinos kasi pag OFW, minsan pag mag-uwi ng Pilipinas, pag bakasyon, kung bakasyon yan, round trip. Pero pag uwi na, tawag nito, contract, and one way lang yan. So, kasi mas mahal po ang one way pag international. Unlike sa domestic, independent ang each way yung sa domestic. But ang international kasi, mas mahal ang one way, mas mura ang round trip. Now, let's have the round trip. Let's say, I'm gonna go Davao to Dubai. Sorry, yan. So, maraming sa Dubai ha, bus station, World Center, or Central, may Abu Dhabi pa, sa UAE. So, just be familiar with the name, DXB, yan. And then, let's say, hindi mo makita ang flight po, yung cost. Unlike sa costing, unlike sa domestic, nakikita natin ang costing, right? Pero dito, sa international, hindi natin nakikita. Let's say, fly on mostly in the Philippines, mura pag weekdays, hindi weekend. Mahal ang Saturday and Sunday. Let's say, fly on February 24. EDSA. Kasi, mahal, EDSA holiday. And then, let's say I'll stay 3 months or I'll come back like April. That is, mahal na ang ticket nito. So, let's say mid-May, May 7, let's say. And then, I'll have to search. Okay. So, here we have Cebu Pac, which is 22,000. So, again, international kay Cebu Pac, we cannot do reservation. So, si Cebu Pac lang ang But if you want to have reservation, you choose Philippine Airline and other airline. Maybe there is an Emirates Airline. Wala palang Emirates Airline kasi COVID ngayon eh. Okay. So, kung gusto nila mura, si Cebu Pac. That is 22,000 round trip na. Mura. Hindi masyado mahal. Round trip. One stop, and then if you want. Tapos, available seat, 4 na lang. Sorry, I forgot to say pala. Para malaman nyo kung ilan na lang ang available seat for that flight, meron po tayo itong I highlighted. So, for this flight, 4 seats na lang available. And then, for Philippine Airline, hindi siya naglalagay ng available seat, but other airline, naglalagay po. Philippine Airline lang hindi naglalagay ng number of seats. So, yan, you can book it. Again, for Cebu Pacific, you cannot make reservation. So, see, fare alert. Your final pricing amount is changed due to the recent update on airline whose server. So, ang original price is 22,328. Bago daw, 22,327. So, nagmura siya by 1 peso. You just say yes. Ay, nakamura tayo ng 1 peso. Okay, again, since this is Philippine Airline, Cebu Pacific, we have to buy for meal and baggage. So, yan, and then book. But since this is not, we cannot do book reservation, so, give lang tayo ng quotation kay client, 22,377. Again, when you will gonna print for the ticket, off lang, we'll have to go to the ticket history. Okay, so that's all for the airline. Now, for the other services, I'll have just a quick kasi mag-11 na pala. Ang bilis ng oras. Okay, guys, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo na pag hello? Baby, off muna tayo. Now, for bus, meron tayong online and offline. This is for Philtranco. Let's do the offline. Again, there is a policy for mga Philtranco is that 2 days before the flight, the biyahe ka dapat mag-book. Huwag kang magtanggap ng client na bukas na aalis dahil the Philtranco policy is 2 days prior to the trip schedule. Kaya if you will check the travel date, automatic na February 20 na siya. And then, before I forgot, kahit sa airline po, balik tayo sa airline ha, kasi nakalimutan kong sabihin. Pag may senior citizen po tayo, separate po natin ng book. But be sure to copy the flight number na binook mo sa kasama niya para kasama pa rin sila. Kasi may 20% po si senior citizen. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-book sabay sa mga normal na mga passenger. So, dapat lang, iuna mo talaga book and then choose the trip na marami pang seats available para magsama si senior citizen at saka kasama niya. And the same with the bus. Sa bus din, mag-offline lang tayo sa bus, senior citizen and student. Si student, basta may valid ID na student siya and then school year, may 20% din po sa bus si student. So, then we will have to search, let's say, destination niya is, saan ba tayo? Pasay. And going to Davao. Uy, ako ng Davao. Saan ba to si Davao? Here. Let's say, uwi ako ng Feb 20. Tingnan natin kung may ay, ang mura lang. 2,963 and 2,405. So, if your client is adventurous, gusto niya makakita ng Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, suggest the Filtranco. 4 to 5 days ang ano. And then there's the departure. Kung gusto niya ng 8 ng gabi, mas mura, 2,400. And then book. So, pag book niyan, automatic. Hello, baby. Paano lang? And then next po yung hotel natin. Let's search for the hotel. Okay. Now, hotels. Let's say you want to go to Boracay. And then check-in date. Let's say, alam nga naman ngayon. Let's say on the 22. Kasi holiday pagka 24. Uwi tayo ng 25. Isang room. Ilan kayo? Dalawa. Room 1. And then search. Then, there is a star. So, ito medyo mahal kasi malapit na. And then, this is a 4-star hotel. So, 7,858 ang 2 nights. No? 2 nights bang binook ko? 22, 23, 24, 25. 3 nights pala. So, that is 7,858 for 3 nights. Now, if you want to filter na 2-star lang, di tanggalin mo tong iba. Walang 2-star. 1-star. So, let's say 2-star. Filter natin. Wala rin. 3-star. Wala din. 4-star lang meron. Now, if your client really wanted a very cheaper, a cheaper or much better affordable, pwede tayong mag-email kay Biyahe Ko requesting for the bed and breakfast or hostel. Or, better yet, offer the package. Dito na tayo sa package. Meron din tayong international hotel ha. Now, for domestic package, we have Bohol, Boracay, Cebu, Coron, Davao, El Nido, and El Nido Princesa. Let's choose. Karamihan kasi itong El Nido Princesa ang gina. So, we have 11,000. Now, if you want a cheaper one, let's go down. May 7,000, may 7,900. Now, let's say client wanted to go to Boracay. Meron na ba si Boracay? Oh, meron na si Boracay. So, meron tayong 12,000. This is a 5-star hotel, a 3 days and 2 nights. Ay, sabihin ni, ay gusto ko mura lang. We can give her or him the Patio Pacific Boracay, which is 3,250 lang. Uy, mura na. Let's go to Boracay. And then, medyo gusto niya along the beach, malapit sa beach. We can give the Paradise. That's Paradise Garden Resort, which is 3,800. Okay. And then, gusto niya na medyo social, then 5,000. If talaga gusto niyang magandang hotel, 5-star, then you give the 12,000. Depende sa gusto ng client ninyo. So, let's go for international. May ano din tayo. Bangkok, free and easy. Remember the highlights ha. Itong highlights sa mga tour natin, do not forget to mention to your client. So sabihin ni client, ano bang inclusive ng $103 ko going to Bangkok? Meron ka ng tour to famous Erawan Shire, may Golden Buddha, and then we have the King Rama V. So click this view details, makikita mo to, lahat ng inclusions. day, paano siya mag-check-in, 2 o'clock sa hotel. And then, ito, breakfast and then check out. Now, meron tayong mga optional tours. This is additional pay na. Now, you'll tell the client, if you go to other, gusto mo magpunta ng cruise, there is a $46 per pax. If you want to go to Ayutthaya, it's their additional $65 per pax. This is, exclusions na to, optional tours. If the client don't want it, then yun lang standard ang ibigay natin. So, yan ang holiday package. Now, insurance, si insurance kasi, as of now, wala pa kasi nag-ban naman ang travel. The insurance is, whenever we travel to UK, Europe, whenever we get the visa for Schengen and UK visa, they require us an travel insurance. So, ito, dapat naka-open to. Ngayon siguro naka-close, but during the time na walang pandemic, open yan siya. So we can buy travel insurance for 14 days depending on how many days you will be traveling outside the country. Now we'll go to the ferry, the to-go. So here, the origin, saan ka pupunta, Bacolod, Butuan, and then the destination, saan ka pupunta ng destination, wala siyang napuntahan. Ano ba to? Bata. Ano bang meron? Porte Princesa, Coron. Sambuanga daw tayo. May taga Sambuanga ba dito? Punta tayo ng Manila. Let's say kung may flight. Oy, may flight? May biyahe. So, Sambuanga to Manila, may February 21, may March 1, may March 9, March 16, March 23. May taga Sambuanga pa po ba dito?
Yes, Coach.
Meron. O sige, let's say March 1, punta ka ng Manila, 1 passenger. O, search mo. May available pa ba? Meron pa. O sige, pwede na tayo mag-trip. Gusto mo ba yung super value? Ano ba yung super value? Yung parang marami kayo? Kasi tawag, nakalimutan ko yung sa isang marami kayo, nakahilera, yan. Kung gusto mo ng medyo mahal-mahal, tourist class, may 699. Gusto mo ng cabin for 4, kung family kayo, you choose cabin for 4. Kung gusto mo namang medyo mahal, yung parang VIP, stateroom for 1, that's 3,000. So, meron tayong taxes, ha? So, meron tayong 200 pesos nito per passenger. So, kita. So, yan lang. And then you next, hindi ko na ini-next kasi baka mag-query to. Very sensitive ang kasi nag-i-email ka diretso sa sa biyahe ko. So, yan lang. So, papiliin mo lang si client kung anong class yung gusto niya na tourist class ba, cabin for 4, or stateroom for 1. Okay. And then that's it. And then for mobile, may i-loading tayo here. So, just select the operator. So, kung Globe, Signal, PLDT, yung mga games, Touch Mobile, and then the product is the number. Let's say I'll choose Smart and Talk, and then here, regular load. Makaload pa ba ako? Mga student ko, meron pa kong student dito. Ay, mag-Globe lang ako kasi may 10 pesos.
Yes, ma'am.
Student ako?
Kaming lahat.
Yes, ma'am.
Sino pa? Okay. Sino unang makabigay ng sa chat room ng number ng Globe? Bigyan ko ng 10 pesos. Na load. Makauna sa chat room. Bilis.
Smart kami.
Okay, una.
Smart, mom.
Oh, Globe.
Globe talaga, Doc.
Globe,
Pwede
kasi
smart.
10 pesos. Okay. Mga students ko, may Globe?
Smart.
Wala.
Globe po, ma'am.
Sige,
Smart,
sulat nyo.
mom.
Sinong Globe? Sulat ng number. Bigyan ko ng load, 10 pesos. Bilis. Okay, sino to? Wow.
Me, ma'am.
Bilis.
Meron, ma'am.
Jaguar Lieni. Okay, sino to? Ang nakauna. Wow, bilis ha. Okay. So, bigyan ko si Jaguar Lenny ng 10. Sinong student kong nauna? Si Richelle Kalulot. Bigyan ko. Sige, ubusin ko na tong 20 pesos.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyaida. Ay,
Okay. Coach, tama ba tong number mo? Lieni? Coach
Present
Lenny.
yan to.
Yes,
Si
ma'am.
Coach Lenny.
0917. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
454880. Okay, recharge
Yes.
ko.
455. 455.
No? La otra semana. Ha?
Ay pa, tama, naka-remember pa ba ako ng ano ko, password? May password pa lang hingin si Iloda. Dapat memorize yung loud ang ano. Okay. Naka-load na?
Yeah.
Okay, next, sino yon? Si Richelle. Abtikang Richelle, uy! Kalulot. Ano ba yung number mo, Kalulot? Napin ko muna sa chat. Saan bang chats? Wala. Sana yung chats?
Hindi mo na press ang okay, Doc. Hindi mo na load.
Hindi ko na-load? Sure? Sino yon? Kay Lenny?
Doc.
Receive mo na?
Naka-charge po kasi.
Ha?
Naka-charge lang po, Doc. Check ko lang po mamaya.
Charge na. 10 pesos na lang, oh. Pasok na. Kalulot, anong
okay,
number mo?
Thank you po.
Kalulot. Richelle, 09
27
27
608
608
31
31
60
ha?
60.
Tingnan mo sa screen kung tama.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll recharge. And then you'll write only your password here para ano, protected din naman tayo ng password sa ano. Ay, okay, wait. Recharge. Okay. Bakit hindi nag-match? Saglit. Richelle, paki-check ulit ng number mo. 0927-608-3160. Tama?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, I'll recharge. Bakit hindi? Wait. Okay. Oh, wala na akong balanse. 0.99 na lang. Okay? So, dapat na-receive nyo na. So, congratulations. So, and that ends our, for the mobile. For Visa naman po, ang Visa, this is the last topic. These are, we are not the one processing the Visa, but we are the one assisting. So here, you just download the requirements, which country na pwede nating ma-accommodate. So as I've mentioned in the earlier, I have already assisted for US, sa US visa tourist, no? Until I charge 1,000, it's because I also book for ako na yung nag-book for the interview kasi sanay na ako ng magkuha-kuha kasi ng visa. Schengen, UK, America. So, sanay na ako. So, if you are sanay na, until the interview, you can book naman. So, you can charge 1,000 for the assistance. Anyway, it's the biyahe ko who will process the visa. And here, you just click the requirement and then it will give you the requirements na. So, yan. And then, if the requirements of your client, pa-mute lang po, mga bossing. Okay. If your client decided na already okay ng mga requirements niya, you just, sino ba to?
It's Darlene, para pa-mute ng ano mo.
Ay, ako pala. Ay, sorry.
Paspas. Okay. Okay. So if ready na ready na ni client mo yung date ng flight niya, let's say gusto niyang pumunta ng April. Wag naman na magtanggap kayo niya Feb siya aalis, hindi pwede. It will take at least 2 to 3 weeks ang processing ng visa here in the Philippines. So let's say April 22. Huwag kayo magtanggap ng urada ha, hindi tayo magikero. So dapat at least 1 month before the flight. Pag nagsabi sila Feb 18 and then they will fly on Feb 30, wala namang Feb 30, no? March 5, wag mo niyong tanggapin. Yung April, it's safer for April. Para hindi rin po tayo anuhan ni client. So let's say April, that is 1 month from now. Pwede yun. And then let's say 2 weeks siya. Then ilan sila? And then you will pag complete na ang requirements ni client, and which country, let's say they will gonna go to Japan. Okay. And then type of visa, of course, tourist or business lang tayo. And then adult name, kung sino yon isulat, and then to process. Then biyahe ko will also respond to that. Okay? Pag wala, meron tayong mga emails, you can talk naman, and then you can talk to man the customer service. Now, that ends our kung promo tayo, ito siya, pag nakita nyo lang yung mga promo natin, like here, fly, stay, and dine, that is 51,000. If you go for a honeymoon villa, ito yung kaganda in Siracan. Okay. Para siyang uy, ang ganda, para siyang Maldives. And then you can also have the Abu Dhabi Holy Week promo. That is booking period is October 29 until 6. Travel period is March 29 to April 3. So pwede pa tayo nagbenta kasi sabi naman until seats are taken. Wala siyang specific date end of the promo. So itong Abu Dhabi and Dubai, that is 41,221. Now, Boracay, there is 8,821, minimum of 2 packs. Airfare na, my hotel na with breakfast. Travel period, October 20, booking period, sorry. But the travel period is April 1 to 4. So, dapat si client, walang ibang day, but April 1 to 4. Puerto Princesa, yan, tignan nyo talaga ang travel period. Do not sell something na, ay, pwede sa May, and then travel, ay, tayo niyan? Sa Bisaya pa, kaubot ta sa client. And then, since the pandemic is there, please check the flight schedule and the frequency per route. So, yan, you can explain to your client na because of this pandemic, 2 times a week na lang ang ito na route, 1 times a week lang ito. So, yan, may Boracay din tayong 599 if you want. And then, merong 688 si PAL. And that is true. Totoo naman, nakita nyo naman kanina 700 plus lang, 'di ba? Si PAL. Totoo po 'to si PAL talaga. I can guarantee because I always book PAL. And then that ends my technical. No? Do you have any questions and clarifications or violent reactions? And before I end nakita po ninyo si CBR request? Nakita nyo to? Nakita nyo po to. Now, if you send an email, and then si upfront tsaka si biyahe ko, wala pang reply, you can also choose this one. Product. Ano ba yung product mo? Group desk ba yung concern mo? Package tour, visa, domestic airline, or whatever. And then, send your concern. Ano ba yun? Requested by, sino ka? Contact number, remarks, choose a file. Sabihan mo dito ano yung request mo, cancellation or refund or whatever it is, no? Yung mga concern natin. Yan ang CBR request. Or kung mag-ano ka rin ng baggage, if you want to add, pwede rin yun. So yan, CBR request. You can do that. May hotline din tayo kay biyahe ko. And then sa upfront desk, we have also the desk natin, upfront desk at Hotmail or ano ba yun? Yung email ni May. You can also do that. Basta bahala na kayo kung ano yung kasi ako makulit din kasi ako. Sigurista kasi ako pag nag follow up. Lahat ng email sendan ko. So I will not take yung risk na wala akong ma-emailan. So, I'll do all my best na nakapag-follow up ako. Yun lang. Kasi at stake din ang credibility mo. Especially sa akin na professor ako. I'll take care of my credibility as a professor. And, it's so difficult to maintain that one, ang credibility. So, we do not give false hope. If you are not sure of your answer, do not give an answer. But just tell them, I'll get back to you, I will clarify this. Huwag kayong kasi hirap po pag maka-abono po tayo. Instead na mag-business, nangyayari, nalulugi. And it's not good na malugi tayo sa business natin. I always said that it's okay to be yung magpahangyo, it's okay na we'll give discounts, but make sure that you earn something, because we are not here in this business we are not into the business para lang mag-fail or mag-loss. It's okay to have losses, but if you know you can earn, why risk of losing if you know there is a profit on it? Iba kasi yung risk na you engage into a different kind of business, especially traditional business. Yun talaga, high risk yan siya. But here, it's an e-service that we know and we can calculate our risk, we can calculate our losses, we can calculate our profit. This is a very black and white earning. Okay? Now, yung bills payment for those who are new here, yung bills payment natin, may ibang training po yon sa dashboard. So, the bills payment for those who wanted to, in this pandemic, I can say to you na gamit masyado sa akin. It's because I can pay my bills without going out. I can pay my SSS without taking the queue or falling into line and be at risk of having COVID. Gamit po talaga si bills payment natin. And I want you to take advantage of that for those who have the portal and the dashboard. It's because e-loading, lahat po ng tao, kahit bata ngayon, nagpapaload. Kahit 5-5 lang po yan, if you will accumulate into 100 na tao, that is 500 pesos. And you can buy half sack of rice na already of that. I want only to give you realization, even in this kind of small business, small capital, but you have a lifetime residual income for this. Second of all, lahat po tayo sa bahay may bills and due date. Kanang si Bill and Judith, mag-asawa gid na siya. Si bills and due date. If we do not pay on due date, we will have penalties, and every household will pay electricity. I do not, sa bukid siguro no na pay mga lampara, but in the city and even some province and a lot of provinces right now, you cannot say walang kuryente. And then even may poso sa probinsya, still meron pa rin binabayaran na water, no? Na a lot of people are paying water. And then aside from that, we pay our PLDT, our cable, our Wi-Fi. What else do we are paying? Mga credit cards and tuition of our children, and then SSS. These are the monthly dues that we are paying. And rest assured, if you only have 10 na tao every month na consistent nagbabayad sa inyo sa SSS, you can charge them 20 pesos. Rather than they go to SSS, how much is the payment going out for parang fare? Let's say you spend 100 pesos. Then when you are outside, you are tempted to go to Jollibee and McDonald's. So again, you have to pay. Instead of paying only water bill, nahimo, you go on already into the mall to take kanang shopping na out of the blue. So while online, we pay online our bills, we avoid some expenses, and we can save, especially during this pandemic. We save time, we save money, at the same time we avoid the crowd. And I hope you learned something tonight. And I'm Dr. Ann Perez, and thank you so much. I am the Diamond founder. Thank you, and
Thank
good
you,
morning.
Coach
Thank you so
Doc.
much,
Doc,
Coach Doc.
Ann,
And thank
maraming
you. And on
salamat
behalf of
po,
Upfront
Doc.
Bill.
Ann.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Doc.